Hey everyone, welcome to Angry TV. It's another watch video! Woo! Yes, I know some of you will have turned off already by now, but it's become a bit of a thing. Not only because it's good for views, lots of people are watching these videos, you know, but I'm turning into a massive watch nerd. Now, I don't want this channel to become a watch channel because that's not what it's about, but it calms me down, makes me happy, keeps me chilled. So with that in mind, let's have a look at what's arrived in the post this week. Just a very bland box. Can't show you the top because that's got my address in it. I don't want you burgling me, you lot. So, it's a box. Now, as you all know, I would love a Rolex. I would. If you're out there, Rolex listening, I'd love one. Send me one. Anyone, look. I'd get rid of the Apple Watch, put one on it. Look, yeah, see? Apple Watch check thing that they do. And I'd like an Amiga. I'd like a Speedy Pro. That'd be nice. Or Tudor GMT. Something like that. That'd be nice. But no. Funds don't allow. No. So, if you've had a look at the channel recently, you'll have seen there's a few G-Shocks on there. So, it's quite possible that there's a G-Shock in that box. Shall we have a look? So before we get into getting it out of the box, obviously here's a bit of a background onto what this particular watch is. Okay, now the cool lot among you may well have heard of the graffiti artist Insa. He kind of creates really cool street art that turns into gifts, and this is a really good example. In fact, this is the one that he's known for. This is kind of like his print. This is the thing. Okay, so what he does is he sprays a wall, sprays over it, takes a picture, sprays over it again, takes another picture, sprays over it again, takes another picture, and creates stuff like this, which is pretty cool. So this is from The Verge, this website. But if you want to have a sort of a scroll through and have a read a bit more about him, that's where you're going to find some info. I just thought the pattern was really cool. And as is the way with G-Shock, they collaborate with people like him. So we've got something pretty special in the box. Let's have a look. So here we go, let's have a look in here. So as you can see, it comes in the G-Shock box, which is pretty neat. So take these bits out. Get rid of that. Okay, so as you can see here, we have got the G-Shock DW-5600MW-7INSA. Okay, and it also comes with a bag for your girlfriend or your wife, limited edition. Right, so the special thing about this one is that there are actually only 190 of these being produced worldwide. They're only available in the UK in the store now, so this is going to become a pretty collectible thing. So should we have a look and see what it looks like out of the box? Okay, obviously that's Insa's print, the one that's in the video on The Verge. Not like your standard G-Shock box. It's cardboard. This one doesn't come in the usual tin. So we take the lid off, that to one side, take the watch out, come out. That's it. See warranty cards in here. That's not very interesting, is it? Let's be honest. You want to see this. Okay, I'm taking the watch out. So as you can see, it's based on the DW-5600 series, and although the light's pretty horrendous in here today because it's such a miserable day outside, this is actually bright white. And quite how long it'd stay like that if you actually wore it day to day is anyone's guess, but this is where it's pretty cool in the strap. Obviously that's the same print. You look around, nothing particularly special on the back. But the strap is pretty nice. Now, I bought this as an investment. It's not something I'm going to wear. I'm just going to hang on to it for a bit. I mean, they're already now on eBay for getting on for £300. I didn't pay anything like that. It was just over 100 for this direct from G-Shock shop. And as I say, there are only 190 of these in the world. So if you're an Insa fan and you're into his art, presumably this is something pretty cool that you might want to add to your add to your collection at some point. So it's one of those ones that you're just going to hang on to for a bit, and I won't be wearing it day to day. But anyway, let's see what it looks like on the wrist. Just take the Apple Watch off, which is on there again. Okay. Okay. Pretty neat. But is it something men should wear? Discuss that. Let me know what you think. I think you need to be a certain kind of bloke to be able to get away with that. It's not something you're going to wear all the time. Possibly. It is really cool, but it is quite feminine. In fact, my wife's seen this one and she absolutely has fallen in love with it, and asked if she could have it, and I told her no, you can't, because it's limited edition. So that didn't go down very well, but that kind of says it all. My wife absolutely loves this thing. So is it a little bit girly, or perhaps not in the day and age that we live in? I don't know. What do you think? Let's have a look. I wonder if this is one of the ones where when you turn the light on it has a signature. Let's have a look. Where's the light there? No, just a standard light. So you can't see it very well in this, but just the standard illumination on there. Nice. It feels nice. It feels like really good quality. The print's really good. You can actually feel the print. So I'm not sure what they've used to do that with, but that's feels like it'll stand up to a bit of wear. But then, like I say, it's a limited edition thing. Are you really going to wear it, or are you going to buy it to invest? Or I don't know. What do you think? With 190 in the world, what would you do with it? Tell me in the comments whether you think I should just wear it and enjoy it, or stick it in a drawer and leave it there for a year or two. So there you go. That's the G-Shock DW-5600MW-7INSA INSA. So there you go. Very quickly, that's the G-Shock Insa being unboxed. I've got it on. It's pretty cool. I like it. I think it's a cool thing. I think I'll wear it. But there are only 190 of these things in the world. So should I? Should I wear it? What do you think? Keep it? Chuck it in a drawer? Enjoy it? I mean, let's be honest, right? You know this is limited edition, and let's say you take it out and you scratch it against the wall and it turns up a big chunk out of it. How are you going to feel? How are you going to feel? You've basically ruined something that's really super rare. I don't know. You wouldn't do it with like a Picasso painting, would you? And yeah, all right, it's not a Picasso painting, but you know, there's only so many of these things. Would you wear it, smash it up, enjoy it, and then in 5 years' time regret it when they're on eBay for 1,500 quid? I don't know. A friend of mine's just bought a really expensive Amiga, beautiful today in fact, and he absolutely loves it, and good on him. But is he going to wear it? Is he going to love it every day, knowing it's got amount of money? I don't know. I'm not sure. What do you think? Anyway, I'd love to know what you think in the comment section below. Would you wear it? Would you keep it? Would you invest it? Would you sell it? Let me know what you think. And thanks for watching this episode of Angry TV. I promise they're not all going to be watch focused, but I've bought a couple recently and it's turning into a bit of a thing. So subscribe. See you next time.